Hey everybody, it's Cassie, but yes, I bought it. And first, I'd like to thank Trihair for providing a lovely, absolutely luxurious sample of their activator. Now, they are a Brazilian company, so all of this lovely language, most of it is in Portuguese, but that's okay. We have the idea of knowing that it is activator, all right? So, I was looking for something for my hair that will work because I have 4C hair, but in order to get this type of style and curl, I really need a good gel and a good activator, which I am finding that this is it. So I felt really good about testing it. It does give the definition that I need. When I first put it on, it automatically is already training the hair to go ahead and to curl. And as I finger curl it, it made it easier. Now, another thing that I had to do is actually I had to top it off with the gel that goes with it. I did have to use the gel to go with it, but this is great for getting it in the beginning because without it, I was actually having a little bit more shrinkage and it was just a little bit more work to get the definition to be there. And then perhaps maybe the whole, but it's also made to be frizz free or to help with frizz actually, because I also struggle with frizz. And so I need a good curl cream or good gel to help to combat my frizz. So I found that this is doing that. The only thing I did have is a little bit of shrinkage. I was trying to work with that, but with the gel helped to not have as much shrinkage, but I do have just a little bit. But sometimes we go through that with some products. All right. What is it formulated with? It's formulated with olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil, which all can help to strengthen the hair as well, which is I need that because as I am going through managing breakage and damaged hair, I really need products that help to support that and not dry the hair out. So I'm happy that they formulated with that. And for those who are looking for something clean, this is vegan. It's also paraben free, which is a high plus for me. And again, just that frizz control. So that is the experience that I had with Trihair's Activator. You got it from me with Cassie, but yes, I bought it. Thanks for watching.